So here we have a TomTom Truck GPS, and I want to show you guys the menu here. So here is the menu. Now keep in mind this is an older version of the TomTom Truck GPS. So scrolling through here, click on settings, click on my vehicle, and what I really like is that you can change the dimensions, the weight, and everything like that. So let's go back to menu, checking out the map a little bit here. Here's the map layout. Really good layout, really good design that the TomTom Truck and GPS has here. Graphics, I guess you can say, not design, graphics. And here from the settings, as you can see, you can change the appearances. You can look at the voice commands that it has. You can check out parking lots information, gas station information, TomTom services, your route history. It's even going to let you record. It has my places, recent destinations, and it has a home button that you can set up. This current version here that you're looking at is the TomTom Trucker 600. However, they do have a newer updated version, which is the TomTom Truck GPS, the 620. I have it right here up on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. Also, I have the links to these GPSs right in the description down below. You can change your vehicle profile there. I have mine set up to the standard 80,000 pounds. And you can edit your trailer configurations, how many trailers you're pulling. Right now I actually have 2 trailers. Your height, your width, overall length, kingpin, your gross weight. Here's the different icons that they have. An RV if you have an RV. Nice little truck. Tractor if you're just bobtailing. You got your route planner that's pinned right up top there for you. You got your saved locations, service history, trip history, weather if you have the Garmin Dezl app hooked up. Now let's check out the view map. So this is bird's eye direct. That's why my map looks like this. Otherwise, the map is going to look like this. Still not bad. So definitely recommend downloading the bird's eye view. You got your directions right here and you got your speed on the bottom left. Both of these are customizable. You'll just tap on it. And like, let's say instead of directions, I want the elevations. I'll just add that. And now it shows elevation. Or if I want the grade, put your grade there. Time of day, useful. Or you could put your next mile marker. I don't have a route set, so that's why it doesn't show anything, but